Okay, I will check for breathing. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She's not breathing. Okay, I will do CPR.
Mum starts chest compressions on Alexis's chest. She's pushing down about 1/3 the depth of her chest, but this is obviously not a real situation, but she would push a lot deeper if this was real. She's pushing in the centre of the chest, which we call the lower half of Alexis's sternum, at a rate of 120 compressions a minute. Now, she's pretending to do the 2 breaths because she didn't want to blow into her mouth because it's not real. But to do the breaths, you tilt the head back, pinch the nose, open the mouth, make sure you seal the mouth really well and blow 2 breaths into the lungs to try and give the oxygen into the lungs. So continue doing 30 compressions and 2 breaths at the speed of 120. The minimum speed is 100. Now, Alexis has started to breathe, so Mum's going to put her into the recovery position because she still is unconscious, and that will protect her airway and breathing. Back on the phone to the ambulance.